certified SPO officer, you know what I'm saying?
So you can outshoot me. You outshoot me today.
Man, we're gonna let the action speak for itself.
Back at it again, man. It's A Day. We back with another video, man. As you can see, I got my partner right here, Vic, man. Man, how about this, man? Introduce yourself. Let them know what we doing today, man. Let them know, man.
Man, like you said, man, my name's Vic, man. We at the range with it, you know what I'm saying? Put him on my man Dalen, you know what I'm saying? Been talking all that, this, that, and the third. Talking about, you ain't no shooter at woo-woo. So now, man, we're gonna sell it here today. You dig?
Man, you already see what it is, man. I hope y'all like this video. And, you know, the rest of my other videos gonna be in the corner right here. So, you know what I'm saying, man? We shooting today. We're gonna shoot from over to 3. We're gonna do 3, 5, 7, and 10. We're gonna shoot the Draco, of course. We shooting the Glock 17, Gen 4.
Ooh, sneaky shooting.
With the 33. You already know, extendo only. You dig what I'm saying?
3-0.
But yeah, man, so let's get right into this video, man. Wait, certified what?
I'm certified SPO officer, you know what I'm saying?
So you can outshoot me. You outshoot me today.
Man, we're gonna let the action speak for itself.
Okay. You all right? Let's go.
Oh, this shit, you know what I'm saying? This how you properly, you know what I mean? If this don't aim a little.
What's up with these things?
Don't worry about it.
What's going on?
I have a shot of gun in the middle. That's where you wanted at, right?
You still recording?
That was pretty okay.
Oh, you see it?
That was pretty
You
okay.
see it? Oh, you see it?
That was pretty okay.
Oh, let him, hey, come on. You know what I'm saying? That's all my shots. All my shots. All my shots right here. In this little circle.
That's actually good accuracy.
Oh, yeah, that's you. Okay. Finish this.
1, 2, 3.
No. 1.
No. It's no way.
Bro, you had 4. Bro, all your shots is right here. Boom. I had one
Okay,
right
you got
here.
one over there. One. Come on now. Mine's all.
Hit the 1, hit the 5.
1 and 5.
And now I'm gonna hit the 2. Let's go.
Oh, what's going on, pimp? Oh, man. You missed the whole paper.
Okay, see what? Look what I did, guys. Look what I did, guys.
No.
Look what I did, guys.
And that no. This is. That's his.
mine.
All right. What is this? What happened?
What happened was popcorn last night and had butter on my finger. That's what happened. Gun slipped out of my hand. That's what happened.
That's right there. That right there. Talking about I was
The best of the best.
Come on, man. That ain't, man. Come on, man. You missed this. 3 yards. Don't miss. Oh my God. Oh my God.
One handle. One handle.
Hold on, man. This is crazy. This is 3 yards.
One handle. It's one hand.
3 yards.
One hand.
This is shots.
I did one hand. All right, you do one hand. We'll do the one hand. 3 yards, one in the middle. Okay. Let's do it.
3 yards.
Let's
One
do
hand.
it. Let's do it.
This is crazy.
One hand, 3 yards. Hand in the middle. Gotta hit three. Gotta hit three.
One hand.
Gotta hit three. Bro, this man sucks. This man sucks, bro. He comes to the ring. I don't go to the ring. Let me tell you something. I still talk anybody down. I don't care.
Nah, show the
I
footage.
don't
One. What we at? Two. Who's this? One,
No,
two,
that's mine.
2, 3.
These are
These
yours.
yours.
These are mine.
It's yours. It's mine right here. It's mine right here.
That's love.
Look. We doing? About to cut it out. One little shot, small paper, man. We're gonna see what the accuracy really is. That thing right there was on fire, right there.
Fire.
Shot. Go ahead.
Hey,
hold on,
what you say about that, bro?
Hey.
That's how you dump on him. That's how you dump on him.
That shit was all over, cuz.
Hey, your man done. Hey,
Man done. Big time done.
Hey, you done, Freddie. You done.
Big time done. What you doing?
I don't think I hit it. There's no more.
A little range day with my man right here, Vic, man.
Big dog. Hey, yo, man.
Yeah,
Hey,
listen.
Hey,
you
hey,
see
hey.
you see the shooting that he came out with today.
Hey, my man Daily L. He can shoot. He got the aim.
Hey, he can shoot too, you know what I'm saying? Everybody trying to get some competition going on, man. Y'all basically just comment down below. Y'all let me know what y'all want to see next, man. My man Vic out here in the flesh. You already know, man. I'm gonna put his IG in the bottom of the description, man. So y'all.
Oh yeah, ladies, most definitely. Call out. I'm joking. I'm married.
That shit is crazy. But look though, man, if y'all enjoyed the video, man, like, comment, subscribe, man, and be back with another video real soon, man.